Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. We have today assignment on Sadhana question bank. So we have question 1 and 2. So what we did is questions, but what only from the two questions we try to derive some one word questions. So these are very short questions. So let's try to complete the question answers. It's only one word question. So what they're asking, answer the following questions in one word. You have to write only one word there. No need to write the whole sentence. Okay. So let's begin. Name the great Indian desert. We have only one desert, right? That is Thar Desert. So it is called as Great Indian Desert also. Either you can say Indian Desert or Great Indian Desert or Thar Desert. The answer for this is Thar Desert. Where it is? It is in Rajasthan. So the answer for this, the Thar Desert. Okay. For that is, the answer is the Thar Desert. Let's go for the next one. State the location of India. State the location of India. So where the state of location of India in the world map. So where exactly? It is above the equator, right? So it is northeastern part of the hemisphere. So the answer for this is northeastern. Northeast part of hemisphere. So you can write Eastern hemisphere, your wish. If you don't even write hemisphere, doesn't matter. Northeastern part. Okay. So where India lies? India lies in northeastern part of hemisphere on the map or on the globe. Let's go for the third one. Name the two islands of India. Do we have islands in India? Yes, we do have. So name what are the two islands in India. In west we have Lakshadweep. In the east we have Andaman Nicobar Island, right? So in Andaman Nicobar Island, the southern tip of the, what you can say, the southernmost tip of the India is Indira Point. That is nowhere now. It has been submerged in 2004. So it is in Andaman Nicobar Islands. So both are, one is volcanic island, one is coral island. Lakshadweep is called as coral island. Andaman Nicobar is called as volcanic island. Okay. So what are the two islands we have? We have Lakshadweep as well as Andaman and Nicobar. So that is the answer. Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar. Andaman Nicobar. Andaman and Nicobar you can write. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Is it clear? Let's go for the fourth one. Which soil is found in northern plains? Which soil is found in northern plains? You know, we have so many soils. Red soil, black soil, red soil and alluvial soil. You know, for everyone, for black soil, cotton is mostly blessed for that. Okay, you can produce more and more cotton there and groundnuts. Coming to red soil, you can grow all sort of food crops, provided you have to add fertilizers to the red soil. Coming to the alluvial soil, it is blessed with so many nutrients that the northern plains and the coastal plains are blessed with the alluvial soil. Okay, so the answer for this is alluvial soil. So northern plains are blessed with alluvial soil. Alluvial soil. Is it clear? Now coming to the last one, with this we are going to conclude the assignment. Where does the Deccan Plateau lie? Where does the Deccan Plateau lie on the map? Okay, Deccan Plateau definitely in India, right? So where actually it lies? It lies in the peninsular region. Which is the peninsular region? The southern part of the India comes under peninsular region. So you can write the southern India or southern state. Okay, so answer is for South India, or you can write southern state. Southern states. Is it clear, children? So Deccan Plateau lies in the southern part of India or southern states. So what covers this Deccan Plateau? It's Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra, the southern part of Maharashtra. Okay, this all comes under the southern plateau or Deccan Plateau region. Is it clear? So I'm sure, I'm 100% sure that you are able to write the answers for question 1 and 2 right now with all these one word questions. So what you have to do? You have to read the textbook again and again so that you are perfect with the concept. Thank you, children. Thanks a lot.